Hey, it's another day for another wheel bearing. I think I need one of those pit. Oh, I forgot to take that off. .36mm. Yeah, get on there. Oh, maybe that's why it went out. I didn't have it tightened. Whoops. That's why the thing only lasted 300 miles. I forgot to torque that down. Jeez. I found my 10mm socket. It was laying in my toolbox. You know? 10mm. It's dark in here. Right there. Another one on the bottom. My fancy red calipers. Anti-seize. Look at that. Yeah, I gotta get the 12-point half socket, half inch. Break these all loose in the back. Yeah, oh, I got my hand greasy. Great. I was trying to do this without getting dirty, but that didn't happen. Yeah. Turn that. Oh, my steering wheel's locked. Anti-seize is your best friend. I just did this back in November, late October. And I think I forgot to torque the axle nut. That's why it went out so fast. Whoops. Look at that. Oh, you didn't see that. That just came right off. Yep. Why is it walk? It's just walking like, you know? Oh, I bet you it's still good. Feels it. I just need to press it back together. Huh. Go figure. I got a new one. Putting it on. I'm gonna grease my ball joint while I get this pulley axle out. Okay, I've got Medvotech ball joints. You see that? TXK3161T and TXK3134T. Made in China, but they're extreme. Supposed to last longer. I've had them in, I forget, so far I think about a year or less than a year. But anyway, you can grease the lower ball joint. Take your wrench, take that out. Blow the dirt away. Put in a Zerk. I'm in the sunlight. Put in a Zerk. Give it a little squeeze. Yeah. Just a little grease. And it comes out the bottom. Very nice. Wipe some of that crap off. Take this back out. They say they use these in taxi cabs or heavy duty truck applications. They last 2 to 3 times longer than a regular ball joint on the road. Then you take your little cap, stick it back in there. Tough Terrain Extreme or whatever they're called. Tighten that back. Boop, like that. They come in these very nice boxes. You keep all your extra junk in there. Oh, slid my axle back in. Cleaned the goop out of the axle seal, and I need my anti-seize. Oh jeez, stuff's cold. Wonder why? Because it's cold. Here it goes. Use my fingers since they're already nasty. So I got me a Moog 513084. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Just look at it. Oh yeah. You got to anti-seize this just because that's what we do. Remember, this stuff is your best friend. Bolts are already covered in it. I'm just slide it in there. Oh, I got to do the axle again. I forgot to do the axle. Yeah, that should do it. That should do it. Oh, my son's right behind me. Oh, don't forget your backing plate if you have them. This little thing here, it's clean because I just did it, and you have to put it on the right way. Otherwise, you have to take it back off. It goes like that. Then you take your bolts that are covered in anti-seize. You stick them in the back. Tighten your bolts up. I think they're. I'll get them all in, and I'll torque them. The hub knuckle bolts get torqued to 75 foot-pounds. 75. There's one back here. Yeah. There, 75. Alright. Now this thing. That gets torqued to 175 foot-pounds. And I didn't do it the last time. Guaranteed. That's why it went out so fast. Oh, where's the other little washer? It's got a little springy washer. You know what I think I did? I used my impact to tighten them, or tighten this one, and it barely does 80 foot-pounds, and it's supposed to be 175. That on the ground. Clean up rubber pots. People don't like my slotted rotors. I like them. I keep them clean. I drill these out all the time. Just get the muck and yuck out of them. 1/4 inch drill. They stop good. Make sure your slides, these things here, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, move back and forth. That'll cause wandering, steering and stuff. I usually clean them out once a year. I already did it earlier this year, this year. All right. It's always a good time to grease everything. All right, now put the tire back on. These tires are heavy. Yep. Oh, I need my socket. Oh. Must have been the UPS guy. There's 100 pounds. Now I'm gonna do this thing to 175. That should do it.